In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Hubspot account with your Synthflow account and start making phone calls from inside your CRM. So if you want to find and install the app from inside of Hubspot, we're going to go to the top right-hand corner and click this icon. Next, click App Marketplace. And in the search bar, type or select Synthflow. Click through to the Synthflow app, then press Install App. If you want any more information, here's a landing page about the integration. We're going to select Install Synthflow Hubspot app. You'll be taken through to the integrations page inside of Synthflow. Select Hubspot and select Connect. Choose which Hubspot account you like to be associated with and press Choose Account. Agree to the terms and conditions and press Connect App. Once you're done, you should be able to see your account connected inside of Synthflow, so you can go back into HubSpot and start creating your first workflows.